Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to activate your Maya mobile eSIM in just a few easy steps. First, go to Maya Mobile's website and head over to Travel eSIM. Select the country you're traveling to, then purchase your eSIM plan. Once you've made your purchase, you'll receive a QR code in your email. Now open your phone settings, go to mobile data or cellular, and tap Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. Choose Use QR Code and scan the code from your email. Then tap Continue to start activation. This might take a few minutes, so don't close the screen. After activation, label your new eSIM as secondary, then tap Continue. Set your primary line for calls, iMessage, and FaceTime, and select secondary for cellular data. Turn Allow cellular data switching off, then tap Done. Finally, go back to cellular data settings and enable data roaming for your Maya eSIM. And that's it! Your Maya mobile eSIM is now active and ready to use wherever you travel. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.